In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find nearby people on Instagram. Instagram now offers a friends map that lets you see the real-time locations of friends who choose to share with you. But in this tutorial, we're focusing on the built-in search tools that help you discover people in your area using location tags. Start by opening the Instagram app. From the home screen, tap the magnifying glass icon to open the Explore page, then tap the search box at the top. Type the name of your city and tap Search. You'll see different tabs across the top of the results. Tap on Places. This is where Instagram groups content by location, so you can explore posts tied to specific spots near you. From here, choose the exact location you're interested in. This could be your city as a whole, a neighborhood, a park, a cafe, or any venue nearby. Picking a precise place usually gives you a more local set of results. Once you select it, you'll see a grid of posts and sometimes story highlights from Instagram users who tagged that location. This is a great way to spot people who are active in your area, attending the same places, or sharing similar interests. To view someone's profile, tap on a post to open it, then tap the username or profile photo to go straight to their profile. If you like what you see and want to connect, tap Follow to follow the profile. If the account is private, your request will be sent for approval. For public accounts, you'll start seeing their posts and stories in your feed right away. Remember to engage respectfully, liking, commenting thoughtfully, and following only when it feels appropriate can help you build genuine local connections. A few quick tips to refine your search. If the city results feel too broad, back up and choose a more specific place, like a popular landmark or a favorite hangout. If you're not seeing much, try a different nearby spot or well-known venues where people commonly tag their posts. Keep in mind you're seeing users who've tagged that place or shared content there, so results can vary by time and location. And if your friends have opted into the Instagram Friends map, that's another way to see who's around, but it's entirely optional and based on their privacy settings. And that's it. You now know how to find nearby people on Instagram using the Places search. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tutorials.